Hello.
Hello, YouTube.
Hey, we're just landed in Iowa, and
Some state.
yeah, I'm here to find here for my 30th class reunion. But when we landed, we turned on our phones and found out that the Supreme Court has ruled that struck down DOMA
The
and
Defensive Marriage Act.
has struck down Prop 8. In California, yeah. So I immediately called my friend Jonathan Wilson and asked him what does it take to get married in Iowa, and we're headed to his office right now to find out what that is and see if we can't get married. So we'll talk to you soon, let you know how it all comes out. All right, bye.
Hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. My friend Jonathan Wilson, who's an attorney here in Des Moines, just went off to get the Iowa form for a marriage application so that Bruce and I can fill it out and have it notarized while we're here at his firm. And then we're trying to find my friend Greg Brand, who's a fraternity brother of mine and is a local judge. We're trying to track him down to see if he might be able to officiate the ceremony. Yay. So, stick with us. We'll keep you informed on what's going on. All right. Bye.
See ya.
Do you mind if we ask you before we start, just sort of how you feel? Are you nervous and excited?
Oh, it's a little bit of both. A little nervous and excited, but it just made all the sense in the world. And when we got off the plane today, we heard the news, came across on our phone, and then all of a sudden, I looked at Bruce and I said, "Well, you want to get married today?" And we had thought about it. It wasn't something serious that we thought we'd have to do this trip, but he said, "Yeah," and I said, "Well, let's call a friend." And then it's like everything just fell into place. Everything that was supposed to be where it was supposed to be happened, and from the moment we got off the plane at 9:30 to the moment we're sitting here, it's just been one step after another, and everything was perfect.
So you didn't come today to Iowa with the intention of you're going to get married today?
No, I proposed to Bruce a few weeks back and said that we would likely do a civil ceremony in Iowa and in a church wedding in Florida where we live, and it just worked out that with the Supreme Court decision today, it just felt right.
Okay. Well, we won't stand in the way of the ceremony, so I appreciate it. We'd all love to talk to you when you're done.
Sure.
A couple visiting Des Moines from Florida heard the historic news and planned a wedding in a matter of hours.
Emily Price shows us the ceremony full of symbolism.
Symbolic because the Polk County judge who performed their ceremony was Judge Robert Hansen, the first Iowa judge to rule in favor of legal same-sex marriage. They were here inside Judge Robert Hansen's Polk County courtroom.
Todd and Bruce, you have come before me in the presence of these witnesses to be joined together lawfully in the bonds of matrimony.
With those words, Hansen adds to the long list of same-sex marriages he's performed.
A couple hundred, probably, at least.
For him, Todd Roop and Bruce Hunter aren't a number. They're the real, smiling faces of same-sex marriage history.
Todd, will you take this man for your lawful wedded spouse?
Roop and Hunter have been dating 2 years, engaged 2 weeks, and decided today was the perfect day to make it legal.
By the authority vested in me as a judge of the District Court of the State of Iowa, I now pronounce them married.
For us, it's just having the security to know that if something should happen to one of us, the other person is going to be taken care of. Either it might be Social Security benefits, it might be just to know that there'll never be a point at which someone would be able to say that he's not entitled to come see me in the hospital, or he's not able to direct my health care. Or
unlike most married couples, they'll have to carry these documents to prove their marriage is legal. But they're more than fine with that, acknowledging equality takes time, but people like Judge Hansen are making it possible.
I knew it was the right decision to make all the way along, and I've never regretted it one bit. Haven't lost a second of sleep about it.
Judge Hansen told me today that today's ruling gives him confirmation that he was right. Stacy?
All right, Emily, thank you.
By the authority vested in me as a judge of the District Court of the State of Iowa, I now pronounce them married, and you may kiss to acknowledge that if you wish.
I can't believe you brought that.
There you go.
Thank you so
Congratulations.
much,
You're welcome.
Judge. Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
That's awesome.